Lordstown Motors is reportedly near a deal to sell its plant. Bloomberg reporting that Taiwan's Foxconn technology group is buying the former General Motors factory. And Manny Abraham brings us more on reaction from the village and the hope for a brighter future.
We're in the wait and see mode.
Lordstown Mayor Arno Hill is optimistic, but details into the deal are limited, and Lordstown Motors is not commenting, at least at this point. But Bloomberg today reporting that there's a deal in the works. Taiwan's Foxconn is close to buying the Lordstown Motors plant.
We look forward to sitting down, if this does go through, and, I'm not sure whether they're going to ink it tomorrow or ink it next week or next month or next year, but, we're very optimistic.
Foxconn is the world's largest electronics manufacturer and a supplier to companies like Apple. It had previously announced a $10 billion investment in Wisconsin to make TV screens, but that deal didn't go through. For Lordstown Motors, it's been a bumpy ride. They've been dealing with a number of issues since the company bought the former General Motors plant 2 years ago. Less than a week after Lordstown Motors said the company may not be able to continue operations, the CEO and CFO resigned from their leadership roles. Later in July, the company did get a boost by announcing a private equity firm had invested $400 million.
If you take the checklist, funding was probably at the top, and looks to me like that funding issue has been resolved if this goes through.
Back in June, Lordstown Motors gave a tour of its plant and rides and prototypes of its endurance trucks. Officials said they would plan to begin building trucks in September and deliver the first ones to commercial customers in December. Now, no word yet on the value of the deal, but in Bloomberg's latest report, official news of the deal could come as early as this week. I'm Manny Abraham, 3 News.
All right, we'll be following it closely. Thanks, Manny.